How to schedule PDF reports to inbox in monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a schedule in PDF to your inbox in monday.com. If you don't know it, monday.com is a work management tool that lets you have a workspace so you can manage all your data, all your details, all your tasks. So it's gonna be very useful for your project. So let's get started. First, you can open your monday.com dashboard and then head over your workspace and then you can choose the board you want to export. So let's say I'm gonna choose this board. I'm gonna export this board in PDF as you can see, and this is the board. You can head over the export here, and then as you can see there are export to PDF, schedule PDF export, and also generate report doc. We're gonna choose this one, schedule PDF report. As you can see in this page, you can schedule the PDF report. You can send to other members. You can add another recipient. And also for the subject line, you can, type like PDF reports like this. And the email body, you can choose, you can type whatever you want. And as you can see, you can choose daily, weekly, or even every month. So let's say I'm gonna choose weekly and I'm gonna choose every Friday. And also you can choose the time. I'm gonna choose this one. And then also you can set up the layout. Maybe you want to landscape or portrait. And also you can choose the default scale and it's up to you. And then you can just click schedule here and it's done. And also you can create a schedule on your other boards or workspace. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.